एक प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना, इस प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना के माध्यम से हम देश के गरीब से गरीब लोगों को बैंक अकाउंट की सुविधा से जोड़ना चाहते हैं। आज करोड़ों करोड़ों परिवार हैं जिसके पास मोबाइल फोन तो है लेकिन बैंक अकाउंट नहीं है।
Opening of bank accounts for each household as a national priority and a gigantic exercise, and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is firm on getting this done. Few days after his Independence Day speech, in which he announced his ambitious financial inclusion scheme Jan Dhan, all steps are taken to roll out this program. Prime Minister Modi called on the bankers to put their shoulders to the wheel and try their level best to ensure that no one is left without a bank account in this country. But what are the benefits offered under this scheme and how would this work are the major questions. The primary aim of the Dhan Yojana is to bring the poor into the banking system by providing them bank accounts and debit cards. The scheme will cover both urban and rural areas, and the accounts will be linked to a debit card issued under the RuPay scheme. Account holders will be eligible for an accident insurance cover of up to 1 lakh rupees for the entire family. 15 crore accounts will be opened at the rate of 2 bank accounts per household. However, the financial inclusion program earlier in our country faced certain serious challenges. Based on the central bank suggestions, many banks across the country appointed over 2.2 lakh banking correspondents to take the financial services to the remote areas, but almost 47% of them are untraceable currently, and reports suggest that poor remuneration has discouraged them. And the report suggests once again government is focusing on banking correspondents to get this program successfully implemented. Government says it is currently focusing on the issue of remuneration for the banking correspondents, and also post offices are linked to the scheme.
One of the problems was the inadequate remuneration to these banking correspondents. Some of them, they were just paid 2,000 to 3,000 rupees. So they can't survive in that. So now what we have stipulated is that minimum 5,000 rupees will be paid to every banking, every business correspondent, combined fixed and variable payment. That is one. Then we have a large ambit for banking, for business correspondents, including the post office, the rural post offices, which are basically part-time people there. So they will also be involved. The PDS shops will be involved, and the compensation centers, which are the fixed points. So more and more fixed points we will have. So that will give more confidence to people, and they will stay put there.
On the whole, the government is firm and keen on successfully implementing the most ambitious Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana and bring over 7 crore households and open their accounts, which is a national priority. Business Desk, DD News.